Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing something different. Frankie is shirtless because we are going to attempt to cut his hair. I've been watching some tutorials. We shall see. But basically, this is what we got working with here. When's the last time you got a haircut?
I can't remember.
It's been a while.
March?
March?
No.
No. Before that, probably, no?
I can't remember.
It's been getting crazy. Frankie's tired of it. We got, just to show you guys what we're working with today. So we got these clippers. This was about $50 from Costco. So we're going to try them out. And they've got the different size measurements here. So we're going to see how we do today and how this turns out. So we're going to try with the 6 all around because Frankie doesn't trust me at all.
She wants to give me the haircut that she wants, not what I want.
Clients, they're so difficult. Anyway, we're gonna start with the 6 all around like he wants because I want to keep your bangs. And we'll see how that goes and we'll kind of pivot. I got you, fam. I got you. So let's go on and see how this goes. Ready? Okay. Let me know if I nick you. You just have a lot of hair, dude.
Oh.
What?
No, it just felt like a lot just went right there.
You have a lot. It's from the top. There's more as we get to the top. This is all your cowlick. Said you wanted a 6 all around. Okay. You got like these like long. Yeah. Okay, is that a thing? Okay, because I was wondering. I was like, that was like fucking me up. I was like, oh my god, no. But the rest is we're looking good. It's this. So what do they usually do? Like how do I know how high I should go? Should I just kind of trim that? I'll probably have to clean that up, right?
What do you mean?
Because it's so long, you know. So like the rest looks even like on top of it or whatever.
That's just gonna go.
So okay, cool. I figured.
With a straight, with a 0 on the other little.
Your one, yeah, the mini one. Okay, because that's the only part where it's like you're looking like a what is it? Not the mohawk. What is it called?
The mullet.
Mullet, yeah.
Mullet.
That's your mullet hair. Okay, so that's normal. Oh god, you're looking fresh, dude. You're looking like thinner too. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, that was the one part I was like, but no. We're looking good, fam. Got you. Tips accepted.
Stop, you're not done.
Okay, I know. Oh, much better. I feel like, should I put it up so I don't cut the bangs too much?
Yeah.
You want me to put it up? Okay, hold on.
See, you said I couldn't do it.
Do what?
The man bun.
Ew, you still can't.
The little whale tail. The dorsal fin.
Like up to here, maybe?
What did they say? The temple?
Temple, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, you got a white hair, dude. Ooh, found it. Get rid of that.
What do you want?
Jumped up. It was only like just a little bit. Always check. Do they ever? Is it when they go like the shortest part when they nick you?
It's usually with the razor.
Yeah.
The straight razor with the, the cleaning up, tidying up.
So if I nick you, that's normal.
Even if you go to the beard, it's fine because you're at 6 right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna trim it down to 5. Saying just go 6 all around. Just cut this right here. Cut.
No. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll just give up. Okay, let's see. Oof, but it's looking much better from the back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that I can probably trim by hand. Oof. I gotta just fix this side. Because they did with scissors too, if you don't trust me with that part. But oh man, much better already. Oof, can you see? Turn it around. Oh. Let me get you a mirror maybe. Oof, I just gotta fix it. But oh, already looking fresher. Should I just, do you want me to just go in on that side like that? Or do you want me to go in with like scissors?
Well, what's the next step?
Well, it's up to you. I mean, I can try to, because you don't want me to do a fade, right? Because probably would be, I want to just trim this so that I can kind of get to the back a little bit more. Because let me show you what I got going on. So we use a 6 all the way around, and just this part of his head, I'm probably going to trim that little cowlick thing you got going on there. I'm going to trim the bangs last. So we got the 6 all the way around. Oh, look at upstanding citizen with the low bump. Oh, we can do the man bun now, maybe. No, a little side man bun. I'll show you guys in a bit with that aerial view what it looks like, but we're looking okay. And now we're gonna go in with the 4 just around his temples, and then we're gonna go with the 5 for that fade. Can I fade? I don't know, but yeah, we're looking a little emo right now. You not down for it?
No.
I can see it. Feel like maybe this is your new haircut, new Frankie.
Just need to trim.
Okay, all right. So let's go with the 4. Damn, yeah, okay, you're right. I'm glad we started with the 6. That's short. I thought it was going to be longer. What the fuck is a 1? Who gets a 1?
I'm telling you.
Shit.
Most fades, they start with like a 2.
Oh, okay, so 4 now, right? Yeah, and then a 5. All right, let's do a scissor cut for the top here. This side. You usually have your bangs. Oof. So yeah, trim probably about 1/2 inch. And then
I usually do like an inch.
an inch? Okay. Well, this said 1/2 inch. How much is an inch? Maybe I'll see.
Start off small. I
Yeah,
guess.
exactly. I'd really do. What is an inch? I'll see. That's what I heard. So I'm gonna do maybe like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then we just line it up with the wrist. Oh, these scissors suck. I have to use the house scissors. Yeah, I might switch to the other scissors. These are your nose clipper ones?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Nope. They're like twice.
You can throw those out actually.
I don't know what I'm doing. No, it's okay. I heard that if you just keep lining it up, or maybe that's down the middle. Can you see now? So it doesn't look blunt. I'll probably cut that down then too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Man bun. Woo! Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Now we gotta do a little shape up and ship out. Okay.
Shape up or ship out.
Or ship out. My bad. So this will be around your ears. Did you care if it was square or round?
No.
Okay, I was like, we're gonna do what we're gonna do. You don't do that?
No, it's because that thing's starting to get hot to the
Oh,
touch.
sorry. It's because it's other side, that one side. I think that's pretty good. It's because I went across. I was like, I guess you can't do that.
Oh.
Did it get hot?
Yeah, it's getting hot.
Sorry, okay. Probably because it's on. I'll give it a break. Let me just touch up real quick. Pero, está nice, está nice. All the way. All the way. Okay. We're looking okay. Got you. If you think it's crooked, be like, your head's crooked. It's like how they tell me at the nail salon. Your finger's crooked. Like, bitch.
Looks good.
Right?
I just need to see the back, I guess.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
No, otherwise, looks fine to me.
Right? From our first try?
Looks fine to me.
Oof. See that aerial do? Take care of his beard. I don't do beards. I'm not at that level yet. I haven't graduated haircuts yet. But he's got the beard down. We think. Alright, so that is the completed look. Can we do maybe like a side-by-side comparison here? Got a little aerial view for you guys, but ooh-wee. Man, boy, you had a lot of hair. We did okay. I think we did okay. I think we did okay. Can I get a review on Yelp or something? But I think we did okay.
It's okay.
I swear to God. You said it was good. We did good. I'll work on my blending, but for the first shot, I didn't mess him up. That's the biggest thing. Also, if you wear a baseball cap, you're super good. But no, regardless, we're good. The next thing that we did, Frankie uses this, the Redken Texture Putty Outplay Pomade. I want to find another one. So if any ladies have fellas who use, I want something more with a hold that'll like give them that volume there. So if you guys know what your guys uses, you know, for a little bit more, you know, extraness for the hair, because I feel like this doesn't hold shit at all. It doesn't do it. What does it do for you?
It holds it.
It doesn't hold at all. So I want something that's gonna work better. So if you guys know kind of the, you know, what I'm going for. Also, don't do what I did. Follow the tutorial that I followed. It was pretty easy. It was actually a guy who is a hair cutter, and he showed his wife how to cut hair. So that's how I kind of followed along. The barber, sorry. But he showed his wife. So I mean, hey, this is all about trust, right? So if we're gonna get married, you gotta trust me. You can trust me with your hair, so I guess we can get married. But I thought that was pretty good. And so basically, I'll show a picture of kind of his hairstyle. It's basically the cut that you normally get anyway. So I thought it was perfect. Basically, just keep your little side bangs. And then this is the kit that we got from Costco in case you guys are interested. They have a couple of different ones. But they had like over $100 and we weren't about that life. This was $50 for this 10-in-1 kit. However, I did see some like hair groomer things on Costco Does It Again Instagram that are on sale for Father's Day. So maybe wait for a sale. But this cost $50. And then how much do you pay for a haircut?
25.
About 20. That's it, damn. About $25, and then you've been doing your own beard, you know, so that's been saving money there. But in general, with this quarantine, we couldn't wait, or it was just getting a little crazy there. And even if, you know, barbers and stuff open up, it's gonna be a while till one, you feel comfortable, or two, they might have an appointment, plus they might raise their prices, rightfully so. So in the meantime, we can survive off of this. It wasn't too bad. I think I did okay. So thank God. Yes. Before and after, we got a panty dropper haircut right here for your boy. So let me know if you guys have attempted cutting your boyfriend's husband's father's, you know, grandfather's hairs or anything, and let me know how it came up. But so far so good. We are going to work on our fade attempt, and the bangs are still kind of long, but I mean, they're pretty good size, so we can trim as we go, and we're gonna save lots and lots of money. But thank you guys so much for watching. I attempted his haircut, and I think I didn't fail. I didn't fail, right? I did not fail. So this is the most enthusiastic reaction you're gonna get out of Frankie, aka a Scorpio monotone person. So this is what I've got to work with, guys. I'm excited about it, just so you know. I think I did good, because at the end of the day, if I messed up, I would have to look at this every single day. So we weren't messing up. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Sorry, Frankie was watching fights. All right, I'll see you guys next time.